this is what I'm using to moisturize my face. I just finished my skincare, which I was doing exfoliating twice a week. However, I'm gonna calm it down to one because I feel like my face just seems a little upset with the double exfoliating on my face. But if you are watching, wait a minute. If you are watching this video, go ahead out. Go ahead out. If you're watching this video, by now you've seen my previous video about the sheriff being on his way.
Stop pushing me.
You need to go over there. You're not dressed. So August gets out of school at, I have to pick him up before 2:30, and it's already like 2:10, but the school's just up the street, and I need to take a quick shower. Like, this is about to be like a quick shower before I go get him. So let me go do that, and I'll see y'all when I get to the school. Come on. Hey, turn that light back on. Why are you in the school turning the lights out? So I made it by the skin of my teeth to the daggone school. I literally got here like, well, really I ain't even make it. I was 2 minutes late. Got to be there before 2:30, and I came at 2:32. So, yeah, I barely got here, but I had to make sure I took care of myself before I left. Because once I pick him up from school, that's it. Like, he's not going to let me do anything personal for myself. So, yeah, and I don't want to have to wait till my oldest son comes home and then have to make him watch the baby so I can go take a shower and all that stuff. Even though I might have to still end up doing that to shampoo my hair today, but at least it won't be as, you know, as much. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some things for us to eat real quick and go home, fix that. I probably do my hair. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because it's getting so thin. I guess ever since I stopped taking my prenatal vitamins, my hair just kind of started thinning out. So, I'm going to try to take care of that today. I've been taking biotin. Why was I getting ready to say biotin? I've been taking biotin for like 4 days now. So I'm gonna give that some time to start kicking in because my hair is just so thin. I don't understand why. Ever since I stopped breastfeeding last year in July, so a little, maybe like, what's that, 10 months ago? I stopped breastfeeding, so I stopped taking my prenatal vitamins. And I've had issues with my hair really since then. So, we're gonna try to do that today, as well as I probably would take both of all their hair out and redo it as well. I'm gonna be so worn out. But being as though we might be leaving for sure on Wednesday, because I'm still believing there's still some type of hope behind that. I still want to make sure that I get them, you know, looking well and groomed, because I don't know where we're going to go, what we're going to be doing. I don't really have a plan on that as of yet. So I want to make sure I use the time that we have still inside the house as wisely as I possibly can, so that everybody gets taken care of and looks well groomed and stuff like that. Okay, so hours have went by. Y'all, I came to the grocery store and I did not have my card in my purse. I was so pissed off. My son had it somewhere with him, and I had to wait all this time later to be able to come back to the darn store. So I'm hungry and irritated right now. But I'm grabbing just a few things. I don't need a whole lot. Just really, I would love to go home and cook like some good nutritious food, but based off of this situation, it's just best to just buy a few things that could go inside the oven. Maybe some fruit or something, and then some snacks. I really like these. I used to get these from Chipotle in the glass bottle. Yes, food. What? What? What do you need? Oh, you want some of that pizza? Okay, I'm gonna take you home and cook you some pizza, okay? All right, so I'm finally back home. I'm about to make a pizza and some chicken strips and fries.
Hey guys, so my name is Zay, so we're drinking water, something, and apple juice and stuff. Whoa, stop.
Thank you. They liked your introduction, okay? Thank you. All right.
You don't.
I did like.
He did. Let me say again.
Hey, you want an orange?
Huh?
You want an orange?
Yeah. You want to try an orange?
Okay.
How can I open this?
Okay, so you need help?
Yeah.
You do it in the little hole area. So I'm about to make the pizza, chicken and fries.
There we go.
And this is the only fruit that I chose to buy. I didn't want to get a lot of stuff, being as though
Here.
Wednesday is so close. Stop. Oh, you got it. Throw in the trash. Hold it. Okay, here you go. I can't wait till I get a tripod. I'm gonna be vlogging and recording videos from everywhere. As long as I got room on my phone, I love doing YouTube. I've been doing YouTube since 2011, and on and off though, stopping, starting. And you know how you go through your little times when you're like, oh, I'm gonna do this for real, I'm ready, I'm gonna make it happen. As soon as I get like that, then my phone starts acting crazy because I record from my phone. I bought a camera last year, right? But I don't know how to edit on the software for Adobe Pro and like those other types of softwares. I only know how to use iMovie, and I'm hearing Final Cut Pro is really similar. So I probably could use that as well, but I don't know how to use them other ones. They are hard. I've tried, but they have been so technical. And I'm busy with a lot of kids and stuff. I don't have time to be studying for hours on no daggone software, but I might just have to so I can use my camera and my memory card. What else is on that thing? Yeah, I got an HP computer, so I have to use whatever's compatible with that. So who knows, maybe the next video will be on the camera once I master how to use those editing softwares. Alright, so I got the pizza in. Let me set a timer for that. And then I'm gonna just throw the fries. This dish right here with some chicken strips, and that should be fine because after we eat, I'm gonna go ahead and go out to do some DoorDash. I need to make sure I cover a little bill tonight, so I'm gonna just give me an answer.
Hey guys, so my name is Hay. So we are eating orange together.
What? You want one too, Auntie Bear? Did I get 7 piece?
Mm-hmm.
No, Augie said no, he don't want none. You want me to hold you, huh? Augie, mommy is busy trying to get things going so we can eat and get out of here. Stop throwing food. Chicken? Okay, you gotta wait for it to get cooked, okay? Say bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you later.
All right, so this is how the food is looking. I got my little Blackberry Izzy and 2 slices of pizza, a few pieces of French fries, and some chicken strips with ranch dressing. So now I'm about to go eat. Okay, so lunch was okay. It did the job, you know. I'm looking now for some hours in the DoorDash app, and there's absolutely nothing in my area or any area within like the next 25 minutes or so. Stop making all that noise pop up. And I don't know, I'm just going to constantly check the app, and just whatever I find, just hurry up and snatch it up. I do need to find time to do my hair. I would like to get to do the kids' hair and get some laundry and some stuff done, just to have everything like in somewhat of an order, even though we have such a short amount of time. And I still have yet to gather up the funds in full to go ahead and save us from this process. So I'm gonna go ahead and just end the video right here, you all. And yeah, like I said, just keep up with what's available for work. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you do subscribe and that you like and comment on the video. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye.